How to fix Google contacts not showing on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix Google contacts not showing on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to confirm your Google account is added on your iPhone, simply open Gmail or Google app. After you open Google, tap on your profile icon at the top right. From here, tap on arrow icon and confirm your Google account is added or not. If not, add it with your Gmail login or from the Google section. After that, you'll have to give the access for your iPhone. For that, open up settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From app section, tap on contacts. From contact, tap on contacts account. And from here, tap on Gmail. From here, make sure you have give the access for contact. Simply tap on contact and turn it on. After you give the access, simply open the contact app. Now from here, you'll be able to find the list like all Gmail, or you can as well as find all Google contact on your all contact list. Simply you'll have to open that. Now from here, you can simply find that. If you not find it, you can refresh your contact list. For that, swipe down from the top. After this, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you can as well as restart your iPhone. For that, open up settings. From settings, tap on general. From general, you'll have to scroll down and tap on shutdown. After you shut down and restart your iPhone, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.